some dried chili pepper, fresh chili pepper, garlic, with some MSG and sugar, and I'm just smashing it up, okay? Okay, now we're gonna add some crab paste. Some shrimp paste. Okay, about a teaspoon. Smell it. And we're just gonna smash it up some more. Then got some tomatoes. Well, first of all, I'm gonna add this. This is some Thai eggplant. This is optional. Smash that up a little bit. You don't want it too smashed up, just enough to separate the seeds from the eggplant. Okay. Then add in the tomatoes. These are cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes. You can use either. Some lime. This is all really up to personal preference. Some people like it more sour, some people like it sweet and sour, some people just like it just sour. But I like kind of in the middle, sweet and sour. We're gonna add this. This is cooked frozen crab with shells cooked. It's a whole crab in here, but it's been cooked, so just see the crab. Take some of the juice here. 1, 2. Juice is sweet, so if you don't like sweet, don't add too much of the juice. Okay. Also gonna add to that is my personal padek. You can use any type of padek that you have available, or you can even not add any if you don't want any padek. Just the crab paste and shrimp paste should be enough. But I like mine with very flavorful sauces and spices, so I'm adding a tablespoon of the padek. Where's the cap? Where's the cap? I don't want to spill this. Okay. And lastly, I'm gonna add this. This is concentrated cooking tamarind. It's a tamarind liquid. So mix that up. And about 1, 2 teaspoons. Let's see, where is my spoon? And just incorporate all this. Smash gently. You don't want to get this all over you. And then taste. How about a little more sour? Some more lemon. And I'm gonna add just a couple squirts of fish sauce. Okay. I like this brand. For sauce, don't want too much, you don't be too salty. Taste again. Perfect. Now we're ready to add in our cucumber. This is the Japanese cucumber, but you can use any cucumber. Okay, just shred them like this. In it goes. And got here some garlic leaves. These are garlic leaves. And fresh cilantro. Put some in there. Put as little, as much as you like. Depends on how much you like them. Smash, smash, smash. All of it. Might as well, huh? Since I already have them. Taste, taste, taste. Perfect. And let's plate it. Got here some lettuce, romaine lettuce, and some pork rinds. Very juicy because cucumber gives off a lot of juice. That off, huh? And voila! Cucumber salad. Spicy cucumber salad. Asian style. Sorry guys, I have a really crappy camera right now. I mean, this is what I use to make my videos, my cell phone. But doesn't that look good? Those of you who know what this is. Spicy, sour. Can you just imagine the smell? Mmm. Let's eat. This is how you eat them. Take some of this. And no matter double dipping because I'm the only one going to be eating this. Mmm. Some in there. Crunchy. Definitely hits the spot. Cucumber salad with Thai eggplants and all the fixings of the sauce. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. See you next time.